Most people try affiliate marketing, but never get a single lead, never mind a sale. I didn't want to message people, chase leads, or spam links everywhere. So I focused on one thing, getting people to come to me instead. So lead generation just means getting somebody interested enough to give you their email address. So it comes down to this. We're going to send traffic to an opt-in page. And now we capture their email address. And then we follow up with a series of emails which could go out over a series of days or even weeks. And in those emails, we promote our offers. So once you understand that, the next question is, how do you actually get people to that page? How do you get traffic without spending money? Let me show you a few simple ways that actually work. So the first traffic source we're going to look at is YouTube. So this is small for me right now, but this is exactly what I'm building. I'll be honest, my channel is still growing, and some of these videos only have a handful of views right now. But this is exactly how it starts. One video turns into a few views, then a few clicks, and then your first lead. So each one of these is like a little asset. So if you're starting from zero, this is exactly where you begin. So it doesn't really need to be big, but it just needs to start. Now, if YouTube feels a little bit slow at the start, there's a faster way to get traffic, and that's called short form content. So this is things like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, even Instagram Reels. So these are quick videos, say about 10 to 30 seconds, and they can get in front of people much faster. The traffic doesn't always last as long, but it can get you your first clicks quickly. So what I do is I take a longer form video, like this one, which is 7 minutes 22, and then I create a series of shorts from it. And you can see here the view count is much higher. So shorts can generate a lot of views very quickly, and the way to do it is to mention your long form video at the end of each short. So you're actually pushing traffic from the short to the long form videos. So people watch the short, and at the end they go to watch the long form. So your views continue to go up. Now, to create those shorts, you can use a site such as Opus Clips or another good site called vidIQ. So the goal isn't just views, but you want to actually send people somewhere. So for example, you can put your link in your profile here, and that's a good way to get traffic back to whatever you're promoting. So your short videos are going to bring attention, but it's going to be your link that turns that into leads. So most people are just going to post the videos and hope something happens, but you always need somewhere to send them. Now, short form is great for getting that quick traffic, especially when you're starting out. Now, this next one is a bit different, because instead of video, this is actually written content, and it's something a lot of people overlook. You can write one simple article and have it show up in Google. Platforms like Medium let you publish articles for free, so you don't need hosting and you don't need a website. You just write and publish. That's it. So what I would do is I would take one of my videos, perhaps this one here, and I would then go about writing an article about this video. Now, you could use AI to give you some ideas and get the outline of the article, but essentially you want to try and write it yourself. So you could take that outline and put it into your own words, or you can just write it from scratch. It's totally up to you. And then once you've written your article, you just copy and paste it into the platform. So here it is. I created a small image for it as well. So I've also embedded the video in here from YouTube. That helps to get more views on the YouTube videos, of course. And you can put your YouTube channel in here as well. And then you can drop a link to whatever it is you want to promote. So now, instead of one piece of content, you've got written content and a video, both bringing in traffic. So this isn't instant, it takes a bit of time to show up. But once it does, it can just sit there bringing in clicks. So if you prefer writing or even just sort of repurposing your videos from YouTube, this is a really simple way to get traffic without doing more work. You don't always need more content. You just need to use the content you already have better. Now, this last one is probably the most misunderstood because most people use it the wrong way, and that's Facebook. So I'm not talking about spamming groups or posting your link everywhere. I'm talking about creating simple posts that lead people back to your profile. So you can make posts about a simple tip, something you've learned, or a short story. So nothing complicated, just useful or relatable. So the goal here isn't really to sell in the post. It's just to get people curious enough to click your profile. And that's where your link is. So really the post will start the interest and your profile will do the rest. Most people try to put everything in one post, the link, the pitch, everything, and that's why it gets ignored. You don't need a big following, so just a few people, a handful of people seeing your posts is more than enough to start. So Facebook isn't about selling, it's about starting small conversations that lead people back to your link. So when you put all of this together, you're not trying to convince people, you're just letting them find you. So those are a few simple ways to start getting leads without paying for ads. You don't need to do all of them, just pick one and stick with it. That's where most people go wrong. They try everything and end up doing nothing. Keep it simple, be consistent, and give it a bit of time. And that's when things start to work. So I hope that helped, and I'll see you in the next video.